Alright guys, we have a Frigidaire gallery and we're putting it in Diagnostic. And we're looking for the damper assembly. I'm checking the damper to make sure that it is operating. Issue with this unit, the refrigerator section was not cooling properly. So to get to the damper, you're going to go to 22 and you just press the upper arrow until you get to 22 and you press in the center and that will open or close the damper. Close. Open. We're going to unload this fridge and we're going to remove the damper and we're going to actually watch the operation. Sometimes when the fridge is fully loaded, it's very difficult to feel or to know if the damper is working. You might have a frozen evaporator in the freezer and it's not allowing the air to blow through the damper. So sometimes you do have to remove that cover. That's the tower assembly. Has the damper at the bottom. 4 screws, Phillips. And once those are removed, then you just basically go around, pull gently. There's just going to be basically tabs that are inserted into the body of the fridge just to basically hold it in. The screws really do most of the work, but you just got to just slightly tug on it, nothing crazy, and work your hand up. That piece up top is slid in by tabs as well. And be careful, you do have wires at the bottom once everything is freed.
What kind she has? Yeah. Oh, really?
Just be careful. It might feel like you're breaking it, but you're not, providing you don't yank too hard.
People coming out telling you different things.
Now we're gonna rotate it and have someone help you. Once you have selected the option to open and close the damper, you might need to use a mirror if you're by yourself, or set your phone right in front of it, set it on record, so you can actually see what it is doing if you don't have an assistance. In my case, the customer was more than happy to press the button for me. So we're at 22 and she's going to be pressing opening and closing. Showing her what to do.
I'm going to ask you to press that. Okay. And when I say press it, you just press. All right, press it.
As you can see, the damper is opening.
Did you press it?
And closing. Now a bad damper would either be stuck or would not open.
Yeah, so that's open and then close.
If you had a damper that was stuck in the open position, your fridge would probably freeze. If the damper is good, then move to the freezer section and you want to check the heater. You want to check the bimetal. Also want to check your drain. Make sure your drain is not clogged. Get that defrosted and pay attention to the bimetal. That's going to be the issue if your evaporator is frozen. Thanks for watching.